This is another Peninsula Floating Floors install for Matt Fowler, Fowler Unlimited. He's just a brilliant developer. He gets us in so early and it's just a pleasure to work with. He gets us in basically after the plasterers, so then all the framing goes in late and skirts and you just get a pristine job. So, sorry about the light. Doorway, there'll be a matching L trim on there, so a little cubby area. This going on to tile, there'll be another L there. The hall's been perfectly measured. It's got a tolerance of 1 to 2 mil. We've green line lasered it, and so we started here. We knew we had a dog leg, but we calculated it all so there'd be no slithers. So the hall's 156 on the left, and it's die straight. So as I say, you always start. You don't start against the wall. You never start against the wall, even though every flooring instruction leaflet says you do, and you don't. So yeah, we undercut the stairs so the carpet can fit really beautifully. It's all going to be plastered. It's going to be a toilet. There'll be depends on the height of the tiles, there'll be an L trim or a 35mm aluminium cover. Fridge, I guess. And then 60-metre room. Got a nice pantry. Sink and everything. Yeah, so this is where the kitchen's going, and all we have to worry about was one exit pipe. It's all been silicon. So yeah, love working for these guys. This is just one. It's a side by side. So we've got a mirror image of this one. One down, one to go. Still in beach. Everyone's loving this 14mm Aquastop. As I say, 72 hours water resistant. You can wet mop it. It goes in bathrooms, showers, whatever. It's just, it's a next level of laminate. And I put this in all day long over vinyl. I hate vinyl now. I just don't do it anymore. It's just so warm. You've got 14mm. You've got 2mm underlay. A real building regs, really good underlay, water vapour barrier, acoustic layer, plus insulation. So you get 16mm on top of the slab, and it's wood, it's not plastic. So it will heat up to ambient temperature and really nice underfoot. And this is just shy of 90 metres, and it weighs 1.5 tonnes. So you can lay this on yellow tongue as well, because it's so thick and heavy. It just feels like it's been glued, nailed, and I just love this product. It's just brilliant, and hence everyone seems to be installed. Well, everyone's loving these and wanting to put the same in their own homes. Like I say, got all the matching trims. We could do stairs, got stair nosing. So there you have it. I'll do a video, a better one when it's actually light, but yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.